Welcome to the Tax platform where we discuss various issues on tax. On today's show, we are with Tumelo Rannau, who is a tax consultant, and we are going to be discussing taxation of non-governmental organizations. Welcome to the show, sir.
Thank you.
It is believed that non-governmental organizations are exempted from tax. I want you to take us through that and share with us whether it's a misconception or there's an element of the truth to it.
All right, thank you. When it comes to taxation of non-governmental or not-for-profit making organizations, especially income tax, there is a misconception that they are not taxed. But the truth is there is a portion of the income that is not taxed and a portion of income that is supposed to be taxed. That normally two sources of income. That's the non-business income, and there's the business income or investment income or disposal gains income. So when you talk about the other ones, business income, disposals, and investment, we're looking at things like interest. If the not-for-profit making organization is any interest from a bank or any financial institution, when you look at business, whether they have rental income, whether they are selling something, or any other type of business income that you can think of. Then on the gain side, they might have disposed property, or they might have disposed shares, because they can own shares. They are not barred from owning those. So when it comes to that, and they have a surplus at the end of the year, they have to apply for deferment of that income, not to be taxed in that year. So even in the following year, even when that income is left, they still have to apply and explain to the Commissioner General that we have such and such amount that is left that is from our business income. Can you please help us postpone usage of the funds because we want to use it in 1, 2, 3 projects in the following year. So this organization can either be a religious institution, it can either be a non-governmental organization that deals with mental health or deals with cancer patients, or any type of NGO that you can think of. So when it comes to the non-business income, if you're a religious institution, you have alms, you have your tithes, your offerings, any donations and all that. You have your tithes, and any other organization also, they have donations, they have grants. So that type of income is exempt. Even the membership fees, if it's a membership-based organizations, the membership fees are exempt, and there are no questions about it. So it depends on what type of income you have, but whether you have exempt only, you still have to register, because they want you to account for whatever income that you have. And of course, they have to account for all other taxes. If they have business income and they have the threshold is over 1 million, they have to register for value-added tax and remit it to BES. And if they have employees, they have to deduct pay and pay to BES.
Okay, so what I hear from what you just said is it depends really what type of income an organization has.
Yes.
Okay, can you maybe give us an example of a non-governmental organization and clarify more, especially religious institutions, for instance, because they are circulating information around as it is as to whether they should pay tax or not, as to some other institutions not paying tax where they are supposed to be. Can you give us clarity on that?
Yes, there have always been debates surrounding religious institutions on whether they should pay tax or not, but yes, they're required to pay tax. So if you're a religious institution and maybe you have a rental income, you have alms or offerings or tithes or whatever name you call it in your religion, the other side, which is non-business, your alms or whatever that is not from business, will be exempt. But let's say then you have property, or you have a bookshop, or you have a shop that sells clothes or sells whatever, that is now business income. So at the end of the day, when you've done your administration and at the end of the financial year, you have a surplus of, let's say, 1 million, and that 1 million is inclusive of business income. You need to apply to the Commissioner General and say, I have this surplus of 1 million. business income. So I want to postpone usage of these funds to the following year. So please do not tax it. So there is a form that is completed that you need to complain, and in that form you have to detail, okay, I'm going to use these funds in the following year in 1, 2, 3 projects. So if you want to construct the church, you say, I'm constructing a church. If there's a project also that you are doing, you say, okay, this is the project that you're doing. Then the commissioner can say, okay, no, I'm exempting you going to pay tax this year. Please come, go and use it. Yeah, and the next year, if you still haven't used it, you still have to provide a reason why it should be taxed. If the commissioner general rejects that reason, you have to pay tax, and it's at 22% because a religious institution or a non-governmental organization is treated as a company for income tax purposes.
Okay, so this is such important information that I feel a lot of people should have access to. So where can people get more information on this topic, taxation and non-governmental organizations?
Of course, the first one will always be the tax platform. We have articles on that, written quite a lot about that, and also have a book, Taxation of Non-for-Profit Organizations. It's sold by Opera Content Consultants. They can contact them on 71811536 to get a copy. It sells at 250 million.
Okay. This was the tax platform on issues on taxation and non-governmental organizations. For more information, you can contact us or you can check out our social media platforms on Facebook and Twitter at the tax platform, or you can also subscribe to the YouTube channel Dumeloran Now. This is the tax platform informing the nation on tax matters. See you in the next episode.